Okay, here we go. They're giving us an inequality, and it says if 3x subtract 8 is greater than 7, then, and it gives us 5 different options there to see if we can come up with something that's true. So let's take a look at through and puzzle through this. Okay? It says, okay, well, if that's true, is 3x minus 3 greater than 13? Is 3x minus 3 greater than 10? Is 3x plus 1 greater than 16? Or is 3x plus 1? I get lots of options here. Now, notice what they asked you to do. What they did not ask you to do, they did not ask you to solve the inequality, okay? They didn't ask you to solve the inequality. So let's go through and let's try some of these out and see what we could do. This does not look like any of them here. So let's see what we can do to make them look like any of these here. Let's check out this first one. Okay, so we're just going to try this one using trial and error. This says 3x minus 3. I have 3x minus 8. Okay, if I wanted to turn it into a minus 3, what would I have to do? Well, I would add 8. I'd add 5, pardon me. So let's add 5 to both sides. I know that seems kind of like a weird thing to do, but we're just testing out to see if this one's true, okay? So 3x, a negative 8, and an add 5, okay, is equal to negative 3, and it's greater than 12. So this says 3x minus 3 is greater than 12. This one said 3x minus 3 is greater than 13. No, cross it out. Not good. Okay. I also know 3x minus 3 is greater than 12, so guess what? 3x minus 3 is not greater than 10. Oh, actually, can be. Hold on just a second. Let's hold on to that one. Okay. Let's get one to look like 3x plus 1 and see what that looks like, okay? To get this into a plus 1, I'm going to have to add 9 to both sides. Got to be a little tricky. And when I do that, I get 3x, okay, plus 1 is greater than 16. Haha, look at that. We just found one that was true. Okay, so take away from that one, I was thinking they're being extra tricky on this one. 3x plus 1 is greater than 16. So when you have a problem like this, you're just going to manipulate it to look like these ones. Let me walk you through that one more time. If you caught it, go ahead and turn this video off. If you're a little lost, stay with me right here. So this is just checking not that you can solve inequalities, but do you know how to manipulate them? And so right here, 3x subtract 8 is greater than 7. None of these are the answer. They're asking you to find an equivalent expression, okay? So there we go, greater than 7. That kind of looks a little funky there. So all I did was I did the algebra steps necessary to make them look like this. So if I wanted it to be 3x plus 1, it's not. It's 3x plus 8 right now. What would I do to turn that into a plus 1 instead of a minus 8? Well, I'd add 9, which is a weird thing to add, except I'm trying to make it look like the one over on the left. And when I do that, I get 3x, a negative 8, and a plus 9 make plus 1. And over here, I have 7 plus 9, which is 16, which is one that appears right here. So you are finding an equivalent inequality. So you got to be kind of tricky on that one.